we got this parcel from Too Good. It has Nokia 7 Plus within it. So let's unbox this. This is like a light new unboxed product. So it's unused with 0 scratches. So let's see if it really holds up to the claims. This is the bill we got. So this product is for 23,000 on Flipkart, but on Too Good we got it for 15,500. So let's keep the box aside. This is the phone itself. So you can see it looks like they have applied some kind of packaging, or I don't know if this is really unboxed before. So let's open this up. As you can see, the manufacturing date on this one, it says April 2018. And the price MRP quoted here is 28,000. Okay, so let's open this up. Unbox this. The box looks old. Looks like here is the phone. This is the set of accessories. And that's all we have. I'll keep the phone aside. Box aside. So this is the phone itself. Let's see how it is. Do we see any scratches or anything on this one? It looks like it's opened, but I cannot say there is a big scratch on this one or anything. This somehow has come onto the phone. So there are some usage marks here. It looks like it's been opened, so that's why we see some marks over here along this place. That's that. And the front looks really unopened. It's like it's scratch free. It looks like they have cleanly wiped it off. Okay, I'll keep it this side and let's see what else we get. We get this case, this TPU case. This also looks like it's been used. I can see some usage marks here. Yeah, that's there. There's card here. This claim that we also get the original accessories with this. So this is the bundled Nokia charger. It's an 18-watt charger, and we get the USB Type-C cable. So that's there. Also we get Nokia earphones. Okay, this looks like all these are fine. They all look fine. Let's power on the device and check now. So powering it on. Android one. This actually has the Pi upgrade. Let's see whether it's on the Oreo or on the Pi. Here you hear the Nokia tone. Okay, so let's go connect to a mobile network. Let's keep this for now, and I think I would set it up as new for now, and let me connect to the Wi-Fi. Give me a second. But no. So there looks like there's an update here for around 1.5 GB. I'm not sure what that update is. Is it a Pi update, or is it a, I don't know when this was updated. Maybe I should skip this, try to skip this update to know. I don't know if I can skip this update. I just wanted to know whether it was on Oreo or was it updated to Pi. But there does not seem that option available, so I'll just try to update it. So it's downloading this update. We'll let it download. We'll be back after the update. So now the update has completed. It took around 20-25 minutes for the update. So it says we need to select the language, and let us skip the mobile network for now. Okay, so select don't copy. Skip. Punch. So just going to accept, unlock with fingerprint. I can check the fingerprint, so yeah, let me set up the screen lock. I think I'll select this one. Give me a second. Okay, so let's see if the fingerprint works. Until now, no issue. Fingerprint added. I think I don't need any of these for now. Okay. It says adding finishing touches. You're ready to go. Let's go. Okay. There you see this. It's still downloading some content. It still says completing setup. So let's see if the fingerprint scanner works. Just going to unlock. There you go. It works. So fingerprint scanner is working fine. Let's see if the camera works fine. Deny. Let's just skip all this. Yeah, it looks like the camera is just fine. Maybe we can also see the front camera. Okay. Looks like front camera is also fine. Let's see if the audio works. Just going to start this.
Stop. Kick off the festivities with Dhamakdar offers from Honor.
Okay.
Capture Diwali in all its
They
beauty
also
with
work.
the Honor 9N. Stop.
So maybe that's all. At the end, I just like to check the Android version before we finish this video. System advanced. Okay, there are some security patches and all downloading. Let it be as such. Let's see, where is the Android update? Oh, here. Do we have it here? Oh, like you see, it's on the Android version 9. Okay, thanks for watching. So, if at all, what would I say? 15,500 for this phone. I would say if there are scratches, there are usage marks, but if you would like to take a small risk, then you can go for it if you're getting a good deal on Too Good. Otherwise, maybe you should buy the new ones if it's just couple of thousand difference or something like that. Thanks for watching.